AAA presents Insuring a New Car. Before purchasing a new car, remember that the characteristics of the vehicle may impact the cost of insuring it. Luxury cars generally cost more to insure due to high-end materials, features, craftsmanship, and unique parts. The make and model of the car also impacts the cost of insurance. Cars with a whole lot of horsepower generally cost more to insure. That's because the faster a car can go, the greater the risk of a crash. Vehicle size is also taken into account by insurers. In a crash, larger cars can cause more damage to other vehicles. If your car has advanced safety features, this could reduce the cost to insure it. And if you have questions, talk to an insurance agent to determine the right coverage for you.